Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the live stream key on Instagram. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I am using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for instagram.com and then press enter. This will take you to your Instagram. Before we begin, you have to make sure that your account is a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, it may not work. Therefore, you'll have to make sure that your account is a professional one. Once you do, then you may go to create, which is right above the profile option on the left side of your screen. Once you click on create, then you will be getting two options. One is post and the other is live video. Click on live video. Now here, you will have to add your live video details, like the title of your live video in the first text box. Once you type that in, then you will have to click on audience. You may choose if you want to go live publicly, or you can practice your live stream as well. Here, I'm clicking on practice for now. Then you may click on next to proceed. Once you click on next, here you can see your details like your stream URL and your stream key. You may click on the copy button next to them to copy your URL or your stream key. This is how you can easily find your live stream key on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.